Your heart. It's roughly 18 inches from your brain. Not very far, right? So why is it so hard to not just read the Bible, but to really absorb it, deep down where it counts? Why do we have trouble getting it in a way that transforms our life? There are probably a lot of reasons, but here's a good one. Back around 200 BC, a Greek translation of the Bible split whole books into smaller sections so it could fit on a single scroll. The order of the books changed over time, sometimes simply from longest to shortest. In the 13th century, the books were divided into chapters, and in the 1500s, Bible verse numbers were added. To make it easier to fit on pages, the text was split into two columns. Notes and commentary were added over time, section headings too, and red letters gained popularity along the way. But does it feel more like a reference book than a love letter? Does it read more like Bible nuggets than the story of God? So we asked, what if we could turn back the pages of time to set the Bible free from history's many editions? Would God's word flow more freely from head to heart? We started by putting the books in a better historic order. Books that had been split, we put back together. We took away the chapter breaks, the verse numbering, the notes, the commentaries, even the red letters. We put it all back into one column, like the original, and we named it the Books of the Bible. A Bible so innovative, it was there from the start. When you read it, you'll see the books of covenant history, the prophets, the writings, and the New Testament like you've never seen them before. Then we kept thinking, people usually read the Bible alone, in isolation. But what if we could go deeper together, experiencing God's word in community? Then we would really see God's truth move from your brain to your heart. So we designed 8-week reading plans for each of the 4 books of the Bible. And we're inviting you to meet once a week in community to talk about your questions and discoveries. Then we thought, if community is important, we should make sure whole families are included. So we made books and curriculum especially for kids. And we added in sermons, so now your whole community, in your church services, in your Sunday school classes, in your small groups, and in your homes can join in the community Bible experience.